Hey guys, it's Sunny Lover 7 and today is Saturday. So it is Game Saturday with me. So let's get started. So we'll start out with the first game, which will be Falling Phantoms. Okay, so we're going to start out with Falling Phantoms, which I'm sure you guys all know how to play, you know. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oof, it missed me. Oh, no! Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, I got gems. That's what matters a lot. Oh, yes! First place. Okay. Let's go to the next game. Okay. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I was so scared. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got gems. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got first again. Okay, so let's play a different game. Let's see, what game should I play now? I will play Jumbo. I'm okay on this. I would, if it was a 1 through 10, I'd probably say an 8. Not the best. See, I never get all 3 yet. I think once I did. And I don't know. Once. Maybe. I'm not sure. Come on, get one in, get one in. Ugh. Okay. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Yes, I did it. Okay. Okay, so let's keep going. This is my last ball. I'm probably not gonna get it. Nope. Okay, well that's okay. So we're gonna play again. Let's see. Let's try again. Come on, no! Ugh. Just trying to get one to light up. Just one. Can I just get one? Yes! Okay, I got one, guys. Now let's see if I can get 2 more. I doubt it. If I had the magical touch. Oh my goodness. Let's try this. Oh, I got it in the same one. I wish that would count. But it doesn't. It's sad. It's really sad. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. I'm gonna play another one. Let's play this will probably be our last game. I will play there's nobody in here, but that's okay. Oh my goodness, you guys see that? OMG, that guy was invisible for a moment. OMG, that was a glitch, I guess. Oh my goodness, okay. I'll play, no, that takes too long. I'll do fruits and more. Let's go. Motorcycle. Okay, let's see. I'm only gonna play 2 games of this, so if it works. So I'll probably play the first level. I suck at this. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Come on. Yes. Let's get you. Darn. Okay, he's gonna be a lot hard, isn't he? Alright, maybe I can get him now. This is, darn, okay. Ah! Okay, I'll try one more time. This is my last time. Okay, let's see. Can I do it? No. Can I do it? Oh my goodness. Can I do this? I believe I can. But I don't think I can. I have 5 more, so if I can get this. Come on, I keep missing. Come on! Oh! Ready, go. Darn! Okay, I only have 1 more left. Come on, I want him to... Ah! Darn. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy, remember to like and subscribe, and have a good Saturday. Bye.